Hello, children. Today I am here with a poem by Ruskin Bond. Don't be afraid of the dark. Are you afraid of the dark, children? Yes, many of your answer will be yes. But children, it's not that only children are afraid of the dark. Even many elderly persons are also afraid of the dark. So let's see in this poem what Ruskin Bond has to say. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Now let's see what these two stanzas mean. In the first stanza, see what does it mean. Children in general are afraid of the dark. But here in the first stanza, the poet tells the child not to be afraid of dark. The poet explains that it is very important for the sun to go down after the whole day so that the earth and all the creatures living on it can take rest. The poet also says that the sun's light is strong, whereas the moon's light is calm and soothing. And the stars will be shining brightly in the night sky forever and ever, giving us light and hope. This is what is said in the first stanza. Now let's look to the second stanza. The poet tells the little child that there is nothing to be afraid of night. Instead, night is just like our friend. During the day, our mind remains occupied with all sorts of worries, but at night it is relaxed and at peace. Hence, that is the time when we should think about our friends and be happy. Now let's see the words that you have come across in this poem. The first word, afraid. Afraid means frightened. Its use in the sentence, my friend is afraid of cockroaches. Dark, it means little or no light. Here in the poem, it refers to night. Its use in the sentence is, it was so dark that I could not climb the stairs. Harsh, it means unkind, cruel, unpleasant. Its use in the sentence, don't use harsh language. Forever means for always. Its use in sentence, we must forever be grateful to our parents. Troubles means difficulty or problems. Its use in the sentence is, I'm finding trouble in solving this sum. The next word, cease, means come to an end or stop. The baby ceased crying means the baby stopped crying. Now let's have a look at the rhyming words. I have picked up one word from the poem and one from outside. The first word, one, rhymes with done, fun. Never rhymes with ever, clever. Fear rhymes with near, dear. Seas rhymes with peace, geese. That's all, children. Thank you.